A friend of mine once almost lost a deal worth over $20,000. Not because he couldn't find a supplier, but because he trusted the wrong one. And here is the scary part. Everything looked perfect. Good communication, good price, fast replies. But when the product arrived, it was completely different from what he ordered. And that's when it hit me. Sourcing is not about finding suppliers. It is about making the right decision. So, in this video, I am going to show you my exact sourcing system, the same framework I use today to find reliable, scalable, long-term suppliers. And if you understand this properly, you will avoid 90% of the mistakes beginners make. Everything comes down to 5 steps: requirements, finding suppliers, verification, communication, comparing costs. But here is the truth. Most people fail between step 2 and step 4. And that is where things are starting to change. Now, this is actually the part of sourcing that used to take me the most time, because doing all of this manually is slow, messy, and very dependent on experience. And recently I tested something that tries to systemize this entire process. It is called WorkUs. WorkUs AI sourcing agent delivers trusted codes. But let me explain what that actually means in practice. Let me start with requirement understanding. When you start, you don't just type a product name. You input detailed specs, materials, quantity, delivery expectations. And what surprised me is how the AI interprets intent. It is not just matching keywords. It actually understands what you are trying to source. Next, cross-platform supplier discovery. What it means, you have freedom. Then instead of being limited to one place, WorkUs searches globally across multiple channels. This is powerful because real sourcing is never about one source. It is about finding the best option across the entire market. And we come 360-degree supplier verification. Now, this is where it becomes very interesting. WorkUs runs 360-degree supplier verification, which means credibility signals, background checks, qualification indicators. So instead of guessing, you are working with filtered, higher quality suppliers. And we are coming to agent communication. This is something most people underestimate. The AI actually communicates with suppliers. It asks questions, clarifies specs, refines codes, which saves hours of back and forth. And finally, WorkUs delivers a trusted code package, not just random prices, but structured, comparable, decision-ready codes. Why this matters? Because the biggest bottleneck in sourcing is not finding suppliers. It is filtering, verifying, and comparing correctly. And this is exactly what this system is trying to solve. So, instead of spending hours or even days trying to figure out which supplier you can trust, you are getting something structured, verified, and actually usable. If you are serious about scaling your sourcing or just want to see how this works in practice, WorkUs is currently invite only. So I share my exclusive access code here for FEC5F67, and I will leave it in the description below. And if you try it, I would actually be curious to hear your experience. Write in the comments. Okay, let me tell you how to source products correctly step by step. And step 1, requirements. Let me tell you a quick story. A client of mine once told me, "Murat, I want to import towels." I said, "Okay, what kind of towels?" He said, "Good quality." That is not a requirement. That's a wish. Do you know what real requirements look like? A real requirement sounds like this: 100% cotton, 600 GSM, hotel grade, white color, size 70, 140 centimeter, minimum order quantity 1000 pieces, delivery DDP. Now, suddenly you are not guessing anymore. You are directing. So, why this matters? Because suppliers respond differently based on clarity. If you are vague, you get vague answers. If you are specific, you get professional responses. Picture this: walking into a restaurant and saying, I want something tasty. You will get anything, right? But if you say, I want a medium rare steak with no sauce, now the result changes. So I will give you pro tip. Clear requirements do three things. Attract serious suppliers, reduce misunderstandings, improve code accuracy. Alright, let's move to the step 2, finding suppliers. Let me tell you about my first sourcing attempt. I found one supplier, everything looked good, so I stopped searching. It was a big mistake. And trust me, if you know how much mistakes I did when I started international trade, you will be shocked. But you just look your mistakes, a big lesson. But if happened in sourcing, it would be very expensive lesson. Okay, back to the story. You know what happened? Later I found out another supplier offered better quality, better price, better terms. But I never saw them because I stopped too early. Here is my rule. Always compare multiple suppliers. Because sourcing is not about finding a supplier. It is about finding the best option. Think of it like hiring an employee. Would you hire the first person you interview? Of course not. But if you hired, I know many people want to apply your job. Okay, at the end, you should aim for 3 to 5 serious supplier options. Different price levels, different capabilities. This gives you leverage. By the way, I am curious. Which step do you think is the hardest? Finding suppliers or actually trusting them? Write just one word in the comments. Finding or trust. I read all the comments and it actually helps me understand where you are in your journey. And if this video helping you so far, just hit the like button so more people can avoid these mistakes. Okay, let's back to our work and step 3, verification. This is where things get serious. A friend of mine once worked with a factory that turned out to be a trading company. You know what went wrong after that? They promised production control and fast delivery. But in reality, they outsourced everything. Result: delays, quality issues, loss. So, why verification is critical, you know? Because not every supplier is what they claim. You should check, are they a manufacturer? Do they have certifications? And can they handle your volume? It is like buying a car. You don't just look at the outside, right? You check the engine. Be a good trader or good supplier. You should know verification is where you eliminate risk. Alright, let's go to the step 4, communication. I once tested 2 suppliers, same product, same price, but completely different communication. Supplier A, fast replies, clear answers, and detailed explanations. Supplier B, slow replies, vague answers, confusion. You know what happened at the end? Supplier A became a long-term partner. Supplier B disappeared after first order. So, why should you care about it? Because communication shows how they will behave during production. And you should know good suppliers ask questions, confirm details, think ahead. Okay, we are coming to the last step, step 5, codes. Let's say you get 3 codes. $2.10, $2.30, and $1.80. Which one you will choose? Let me tell you the truth. Most beginners choose $1.80, and it is a big mistake. You know what you should do? Compare. Price, quality, delivery, consistency. In reality, the cheaper supplier often costs more later. Picture this, it is like buying shoes. Cheap shoes break fast. Good shoes last longer, right? Maybe you know I am Turkish. In Turkey we say I am not rich enough to buy cheap products. So you should understand the goal is not lowest price. The goal is best value. And at the end of the day, sourcing is not about searching. It is about making the right decision. Because one good supplier can grow your business, and one bad supplier can destroy it. And this is exactly why I pay so much attention to systems like this. Because the future of sourcing is not just working harder. It is working smarter with better tools and better processes. And if you want to see how this works in practice, WorkUs AI sourcing agent delivers trusted codes. It helps you go from requirements to verified suppliers to structure decision-ready codes without wasting days going back and forth. WorkUs is currently invite only, so I have put my exclusive code in the description below. If you try it, let me know your experience. I am genuinely curious. And if you want to master import-export step by step, from finding suppliers to closing international deals to building a real global business, make sure you subscribe. Because on this channel, I don't just talk theory. I show you what actually works in the real world. And if you made it this far, comment system. So I know you are serious about building this properly. I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.